Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300 to play phone calls or how to disable it. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. And right here, near to your speaker, you need to click at the information icon or settings icon. And here it is, we have phone calls. To enable it, you need to click one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also click one time at this slider if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!